Hello everyone, in today's video, let me show you how to remove a Gmail account on the Gmail app. It's very quick and easy, so let's start. First, you have to make sure that your Gmail app is already updated. If it's not, go hop in your App Store and iPhone or Play Store when you are using Android device. If it's already updated, all you need to do is to open your Gmail app on your device. Next, click on the Google profile icon at the upper right corner. Then scroll down and click on Manage Account on this device. Next, click on Google and choose the Google account that you want to remove from Gmail. Click on it. Then just click on the three dots icon at the upper right corner. Finally, click on Remove Account and confirm. After that, restart your phone and see if the changes applies. And there you have it. You have successfully removed the Gmail account from the Gmail app. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.